Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic. So the topic name is Multithreading Program in Java. So first of all, we'll understand what is multi-threading. So here, multi. So multi means many. So many means here two or more. What do you mean by threading? So threading means small logics or codings. So basically we write codings using methods. So codings is done using methods. So multi means many, two or more. Threading means small logics or codings. Codings is done mainly using methods. Then what is the definition of multi-threading? So the definition of multi-threading goes like this: executing two or more small logics or codings parallelly in a same program. So parallelly in a same program along with main method is called multi-threading. So if we want to execute two or more small logics parallelly in a same program along with main method, then it is called as multi-threading. So in multi-threading applications, we can execute multiple logics parallelly. So the advantage is we can execute multiple logics or codings parallelly in same program. So in same program, we can execute multiple logics or codings parallelly. So this is what is multi-threading. Then how to perform multi-threading in a Java program? So what are the basic 4 steps to perform multi-threading in Java program? So to perform multi-threading in Java program, we use thread class. And this thread class is available in java.lang package. Right. So we have 4 steps for multi-threading. So 4 steps for multi-threading: executing two or more logics parallelly in a main program is called multi-threading. Right. So now the step 1 goes like this. So in step 1, inherit our class from thread class. So we have to inherit our class from thread class. Example, class myThread extends thread class. So this is step 1. Next, step 2. So in step 2, we have to redefine run method. So we have to redefine. So here redefine means overriding run method in our thread class. So inside our run method, we have to redefine the run method, and this run method is available from thread class. So the example goes like this. So class myThread extends thread. Inside that we have to redefine public void run method. So actually this run method, it is inherited. from thread class. So thread class is a base class. It is a base class for our myThread class. So we can check this method, run method in thread class. It's very simple. Verify. Command goes like this: java p -p java.lang.thread. So let us open the command prompt, go to our working directory, and then here we'll use this command, java p -p java.lang.thread. So we'll get the description of thread class. Inside this thread class, we'll have the run method. So we have to redefine that run method in our thread class, which is myThread. So this is public void run. So what is the speciality of this run method? So this run method will run parallelly in our program along with main method. So run method gets executed parallelly along with main method in our program execution process. And this is responsible for multi-threading. Next, so our class is ready with run method. Next, we have to create an object of our class. That is step 3. So step 3 goes like this. So in step 3, create an object of our thread class. So our thread class name is myThread. So the example goes like this: how to create an object of our thread class. myThread, something like t1 is equals to new myThread. So this is how we should create an object of our thread class. So according to JVM, every thread is an object. So as per JVM, every thread is an object. So here our thread object is T1. Next, step 4, it goes like this. Finally, we have to call the run method. So we have to invoke or call run method. So we should call the run method using another method, special method, start method. So it is done using start method. Okay, so if we see the description of the class, we also have a start method here. So start method will call the run method, and run method will execute parallelly along with main method. Right. So the example goes like this: t1 dot start. So when we say t1 dot start, it calls run method for parallel execution. So what happens if we call run method directly? Then it will become linear execution. Okay, so the note point goes like this: if run method is called directly, then it becomes linear execution instead of parallel execution. Example, t1 dot run. It will become linear execution. So, but linear execution is not required for us. We require parallel execution, and that parallel execution is possible when we call the run method using start method. So start method will internally call run method of this t1 object class. Right, so let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Multithreading, example 1, program to demo, multithreading in Java. Take a new page. First we'll write the comments. Next we'll take main class with main method. So let us save the program in our working directory, multithreading example1 dot java. Right. So this is our main class with main method. So first step 1, we have to take a thread class which is inherited from the thread predefined class. So class will take this as event thread extends thread class. So thread class is available in java.lang package, and java.lang package is default imported package. Right, so we'll take one more class also, class odd thread, event thread, odd thread, extends thread class. Step 1. Step 2, redefine run method, public void run. So run method is responsible for executing the logic parallelly. Normal methods will not execute parallelly. Run method gets executed. So inside the run method, I'll take a for loop for int I is equals to 1, I less than or equals to 10, I plus plus, and then we'll print one message here, system.out.println even thread. So even thread will also print plus I. Even thread 1, 2, 3, 4, so on till 8, 9, 10. So similarly, step 2 will also implement in odd thread. So inside the odd thread, public void run. So take the for loop. For will take here j is equals to 1, j less than or equals to 10, j plus plus. Will print the message here, odd thread plus j. So odd thread 1, 2, 3, so on till 8, 9, 10. So even thread run method executes and prints 10 times even thread 1 to 10, and odd thread run method executes parallelly and prints odd thread 1 to 10 10 times. So step 1, step 2 is done. Next step 3. Step 3 will write it in the main method of main program or main class. Create an object of your thread class. So event thread t1 is equals to new event thread. So let us create an object of our thread class. So we'll create one more object for odd thread also. So odd thread t2 is equals to new odd thread. So step 3 is ready. Next step 4, start the threads. Start t1 event thread. Similarly start t2 which is odd thread. So these two threads run method will execute parallelly and print event thread 10 times, odd thread 10 times. Parallel execution will happen. So T1, T2 run methods executes parallelly and prints event thread, odd thread 10 times. So save the program, open the command prompt, go to your working directory and compile the program. So multithreading example1.java. Compile it, no error, and run it. Right, so we should get the parallel execution. So event thread 1, odd thread 1, event thread 2, odd thread 2, so on till odd thread 10, even thread 10. So here this parallel execution pattern is not predictable. So sometimes if you see here, we got odd thread 4, again odd thread 5, even thread 5. So this is unpredictable because execution happens with the help of CPU, the central processing. So let us run this once again. This pattern may change from time to time. The last we got odd thread 8, 9, 10. So here, try this. So Java gets executed in CPU, central processing unit, and hence thread execution pattern changes from time to time. That is execution to execution. It changes from time to time. So this is how we are supposed to work with multi-threading in Java program using thread class and 4 steps. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai 90 Hub. Have a nice day.